everyone, so the time has finally come. I have been wanting to film this video for you guys for like 3 months now. I moved into my apartment in July, the first week of July actually, and it is now mid-October, and I have been waiting to get this video up for you guys of a tour of my little studio apartment, my first apartment on my own, my first own apartment, and I'm very excited, you guys. So I've been waiting so long, first of all, to get my closet door, which it is finally put in like almost 3 months later, but we finally have a closet door. So now I'm ready to share with you guys my little studio apartment. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like when you first enter my apartment. Over here to the left is where I keep my trash can and just like my utility stuff. So just my broom and my mop, and then a step stool. So this is my closet. So that is that closet. And then over here is where I have my washer and dryer. So super convenient having my washer and dryer in unit. Love it. So that is there. And then over here is my lovely kitchen, which is very funny because since my apartment is so small, because it is a studio and I had so much like kitchen storage, I ended up using this pantry as like a closet. So in this little pantry, I threw some of my clothes in here, like pajamas, t-shirts, and different things. And then there's some room up top. And then on the bottom as well, just some jeans and things. So everyone always gets a kick out of this, that my clothes are in my pantry, but since my space is so small, that's what I had to do and it works. So yeah, it's fine. So yeah, and then over here is where I have my Keurig, and then I have all of my lovely K-cups over here, which is nice. And then under here I have like my pans and my oven mitts. And then over here, I just keep some other random stuff. So like my detergent for my dishwasher and for laundry, and then some candles, and then some other stuff back there, just some miscellaneous things. And then here is my stove area, my microwave. I don't think I have anything up here. Yeah, there's nothing up there. And then this is where I keep my like pantry stuff. So keep all my things in there. And here's my dishwasher, which I used for the very first time last week. And it was the first time I've ever used a dishwasher in my entire life. We never had one growing up. And then when I lived with roommates, I just like washed my own dishes. And now having my own dishwasher is so game changing and I love it. So yeah, I have my dishwasher there. And then my sink and my little lovely pink toaster that I love. And then under here, I just keep all of my trash bags, paper towels, other cleaning supplies. And then my utensils are in there. Here's where I keep like my pots and pans. And then my plates and cups are in here and then here. So this is the kitchen area. And then here is a huge overview of my space in my little studio apartment. So yeah, and then I just got this rug with this little bath mat from Amazon. I believe it's technically for a bath, but I wanted a little rug right there underneath the sink, so I got that. And then my fridge, obviously. And then in those two shelves, I actually have my books. That's where I keep like my books in there. So yeah, that's really nice. But yeah, here is my little room. So this is where I have my little living room, and then over there is kind of like my bedroom. Another angle. So yeah, this closet door had not been put in for so long, so just all of my stuff was exposed and I did not like it. But now it's placed and everything like looks so much more complete now, and I just like am loving this space. And this is what everything looks like, these angles and everything. Okay, so we'll come over here to my closet. So this is one closet that I have. So here's just all my stuff. Threw some shoes up there, some clothes. I have a shoe rack here, some shoes I need to put away. And then I just have like my handbags on the side over there. So that's one closet. And then this is my second closet. And I have like my clothes for colder weather, and here like all my jackets and sweaters and things. some boots up there, and then I just keep my hamper in here and my luggage. So that's in there. Over here is my bathroom. So this is what my bathroom looks like. Here's an overview of what it looks like when you walk in. And yeah, so this is actually like the biggest size bathroom I've ever had, especially to myself. It is so nice because I've never had this size bathroom ever, and especially all to myself. So bathroom is probably one of the best parts of my place. So yeah, over here I have some storage. Just keep some just miscellaneous things. I keep my headbands, some lotion, tissues, things like that, my deodorant, and some towels up there. And then over here, some more miscellaneous items and things, nothing crazy. And then I just put some pumpkin decor because it's October. And then that's where I keep my Apple Watch and things. And I just have my towels and stuff in here. I keep my toothpaste and toothbrush there, and just keep all my stuff under there. And this is what my shower looks like. Nothing crazy. So yeah, this is my bathroom. And then when you come over here, I have a side table, which both of these side tables are from Amazon. I had this one in my room last year, and then this little two-piece set coffee table I got this year. My theme, I guess, I just kept it the same of what I had last year. I love like super bright like pinks, and I don't like overwhelmingly pink, but like I think I still love it to be super feminine and cute and pink. So I like the warm neutrals, cactus and stuff with the pink. It's really nice. And then just I got pops of fall decor. So this couch I actually got off of Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks, and then just put a couch cover over it that I got on Amazon for another 20 bucks. It was super, super nice because since it is such like a small space, so I just like, I didn't want to spend a ton of money because I wasn't sure if I was gonna live here next year, or like I just didn't want to commit, especially when I had no money at the time. I was like, I do not want to buy an expensive couch. So that worked, and I think it's like perfect for this space. And honestly, that couch is super comfortable. So yeah, and then I got these pillows from Target, just some fall pillows along with that blanket. And then I've had this in my room since like I had this in my sophomore year apartment, and then I think it looks fine. And I don't know if I care too much for the tapestry, but it works for now. So yeah, and then again I have my candle going, got that pumpkin, and then my coffee table books, and yeah. And then this rug I had in my apartment I had in my room last year in my house. And then this is my mirror that I also had last year. Don't mind me and my slippers, but yeah, I think it's perfect. I wish my background wasn't of my kitchen, but the lighting is best here. It was like the best spot to put it, just because the lighting originally, like I would have loved for it to be in this corner and have like the background of it being like my room or whatever, but just wasn't that great of a spot for it. So instead, my kitchen is my little background. So yeah, and then this is like my little room. So I have these photos up here. I also got this on Amazon, and I have all these pictures of my friends and I had this last year. And then I have this little thing for my blankets, my TV, and then this bed, I recently got a duvet cover for my bed, and it is from Simple Opulence, and I have been loving it because it is linen and it's so nice. So I put this duvet cover on the past like a week ago when I got it in the mail, and I've just been loving it because I was getting tired of my comforter by itself, and I was like, I need to like up my game and actually have something like that just feels a little bit more luxurious and nice. And it's just super nice because the linen is like really breathable, and I really love it. And Also with like the duvet, it just makes it so much easier to just like throw in the wash when I need to, because I don't have to throw the whole comforter in there, because that was really annoying that I had to deal with as well. So this duvet that's white, the linen is like game changing, and I love it. So I'm obsessed with it, and it is just so comfy to lay on. So yeah, love that. Then those pillows I had last year as well. And then this is my desk. I have so much, I literally like had no idea like where to put this stuff, because I have like some work stuff that I have to get through. And then this is pretty much where I get ready. So I always get ready here in the morning. And yeah, and then I have my little side table there that matches the one that's in the living room. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. Keep my perfumes. I have all my makeup here, my sunglasses, makeup brushes, all the things. And then my trash can. And that is pretty much my little studio apartment tour. And I will say, living in my apartment alone has been so nice. I have looked forward to this moment for so long, when I would have like my own apartment one day and decorate it exactly how I want, and I'm getting to do that, and getting to do that has been so nice, and I literally love it so much. It's been awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.